Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is access the official Uber Eats UK delivery sign-up page. You can also do this by downloading the Uber driver app from your device's app store or the Play Store. Go ahead and select your preferred transportation, which will be on foot, bicycle, scooter, or car-based on your vehicle type. Then your documents. You need to submit the required documents, which include ID, your driver's license, and then proof of vehicle insurance for cars or scooters. Of course, you don't need a driver's license for your bicycle or if you are on foot. Then you need to go and complete your screening. So you need to undergo the background check verification and then wait for your approval notification from Uber Eats. Once this has been approved, you can activate your account in the Uber driver app and begin accepting delivery requests literally immediately.